Dear friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to tell you how to make Astami Laddu.
The ingredients are 4 cups of rolled rice, then half kg jaggery, 100 grams of cashew, another 100 grams of saffron, 10 to 12 pods of cardamom, 2 to 3 tablespoons of ghee, a pinch of asafoetida. You can add salt as per your taste, and 3 cups of gram flour. These ingredients are optional because this is for making thick save, and if old people are there and they like to have this Ashtami laddu, it's non-preferable.
First we need to crush this in a mixer and grate the jaggery.
First we are going to make thick save. So I'm going to add 1/4 cup of water into the bowl. Then add a pinch of salt. And I'm going to add a small bit of asafoetida paste. And I'm going to mix it with a spatula. Once it is mixed, I'm going to add 3 cups of gram flour. And now mix it into the batter should be very thick because we have to make it into thick save. If your batter is a bit diluted, you can leave it aside this, that will take proper thickening. And if your batter is too thick, you should add a bit of water. After mixing, start with pouring the oil into the pan. I'm on the gas and I'm going to add oil into it. When the oil is getting heated, we'll start with this. This is the machine from which we are going to make save. This is a manual machine. We twist it from the top. For this, we have 3 sets of patterns, all for save. This is for thin save, medium save, and this is for very thick save. So we are going to use the medium one as this is too thin and this will be too thick. So we are going to use the medium save. I'm just going to keep it over here and it goes in. And now I'm going to grease the corners with oil. With the help of a spoon, I'm going to pour the batter inside this. I'm going to hold it above this that it doesn't leak from below, and it has about 99.9% of coming from down because it's very thick. I filled 3/4 of the vessel, and now I'm going to insert this. So I'm going to keep this now and I'm going to twist it till it gets set over here. I'm going to twist it and lock it. It's locked, and here we go. Straight drain and our thick save.
Keep it in a high flame for some time so that it will not suck the oil. Okay, our save is ready. The crispiness you might have heard by the sound. Now,
It's very crispy.
now that the save is ready, puff paddy rice is powdered, jaggery is grated. We can make the paka, that is the sugar. Take half cup of water, pour it into the kadai, add the jaggery, powdered jaggery, and allow it to melt. You can see sugar syrup is getting ready. Still, you can see the sugar syrup, when you hold like this, it needs to flow like a thread. You can see the drop falling in. So still more thick it need to be. If you want the laddu to be tight, then the consistency of the sugar also should be, jaggery also should be thick. Add elaichi powder to it. Stir it well. Now dry roast the cashew. Just roast it. Dry roast the sesame. Now add powdered mix it well. Add fried sesame, cashew, and also the fried save. Okay, when it is hot, better to tie it when it is hot. Apply little water to your palm and then ghee, 1 drop of ghee. Then tie the laddus. And the Astami laddu is ready.